Is it perfect?
Okay, put that down there again. This on your phone is deceiving though because that looks
Bluer.
Yeah,
And it's greener.
It's more baby blue on your phone than what it is.
And it's actually more green. Right?
Yeah, it's a different color on your phone.
It's like greenish. Greenish bluish. You like it?
I like those coming together.
Yes. Alright, we need to work. We gotta put this up. And we gotta put this up and we gotta move this tailgate, move that, push the truck back in here because tomorrow we need to lay out the stripes.
You keep saying we.
I can't do this by myself. Ready?
No.
Let's do it.
And that's a
Hey, that's a hillbilly deal right there, man. Guess who engineered that?
you.
Right. I'm gonna go slow on this because it's two-tone. Now that the silver's on it, you need to put the bed on it, level the bed, and then lay out the two-tone and the pinstripe, and then take the bed back off it,
You got a lot of work to do in
and then tape it all back up. Take the silver off, paint the blue, let the blue dry, take all the tape off.
How did you
Clear
ever
it.
think that was going to be done in a month?
Alright. We can't hit this on anything. And we can't touch anything silver. Okay?
So,
You touch this.
huh?
You know, you can't. There's some things that you can't trust. The timeline of a painter and the timeline of an upholstery guy. They just, we live in our own universe. We're just whatever we say, you just gotta add time to. That's just normal for a painter and an upholstery person. Ready?
Am I in the right spot?
Yep.
Okay, so you guys good on that card?
Sure.
Okay, watch the wheels in the wheel well when you go down.
I don't really know where
We're
this is
too
supposed
far
to
to
go.
go. Well, I guess it's the bumper.
Okay,
Alright.
that's good enough.
Okay.
Man, I'm excited about that blue. I thought you were talking about like a deeper blue.
Oh no,
I don't like where
I really like the way the two colors that offset each other. I remember sitting in the paint store
What's wrong with
for
you? Like,
hours trying to pick those,
I
you know, the old books.
do it every night.
I was there for hours picking those two colors.
What do you do about the bed? Flat blanket?
No, I got some really good undercoat. No, it's spray on.
Is it?
It's extreme stuff. It's
House to turn
American made. It's out of sand, like.
Man, is this a new floor?
Dude, this is an original bed.
What?
He found this bed.
This meant?
This meant there's
Is the
no.
tailgate all pushed in from all the years, or is it?
The tailgate I had it was beat up in the
How
center.
did this bed not? This had been like
There's
a
a
stock or
look
something.
at that. There's a little rust right there in the corner.
Well, look right here. It almost looks like it had a tag. Like
No, this is new.
Oh,
This
okay.
bedside's new.
Okay.
That's the original
But
bedside.
still on the floor.
I
Who
know.
buys a truck and don't use the bed?
But this bed, he put this bedside on, and the only thing I need to do is seam seal it because he didn't seam
You
seal
didn't
it.
send them pictures showing the transfer?
Yeah, I'll follow along on this kind of. So, but yeah, I'm super excited. But now that the
I had
bed's
the
on
apple cider tea.
it looks
at
tough.
lunch today.
Even though it's not even painted yet.
No, it's
I
good.
usually start
It's really good.
wanting something. I'll have tea usually at work. And
She's strong.
No, she's not strong.
I knew as soon as I seen that word pants, I knew she's got on that we were doing. Okay, watch behind you. You good?
We're good.
There's something that's hanging down over here.
It's fine.
It's the
Okay.
weight latch.
Go your way.
Mint,
I didn't want to let go.
That's good now?
Is that right?
mint.
All right, well, it's clear day on this thing. We'll get started on it. Good times. Four coats of clear on it. A lot of clear. All right, I want to catch you guys up. I didn't record when I rhino lined this or put the bed liner in it. Yeah. Anyway, I was in a hurry. It's a 30-minute pot time. It was after work. I was in a rush. I was just trying to get it done quick, so I didn't set up a camera, didn't do anything. But let me show you. So this product is, man, I have sprayed stuff before, and this is the best I have found. This is from a company called Liner Extreme, and I found them on eBay. This stuff won't chip, won't come off. You use that Raptor liner, that stuff's coming off, and it seems like 2 years it's peeling off. This is called Liner Extreme, and it is extreme good stuff. It's thick. If you look at the edge on this thing, look at that edge. It's easy to use. It is actually a 4-part mix. It has an activator, a hardener, the actual rubber coating, and then there's actually a bag of sand that it comes with, and you mix the sand in with it, and then stir it all up. And it comes with a spray applicator. You spray it on, but a gallon will do a bed like this. This took exactly a gallon. And I laid it on pretty thick, but really good stuff. Again, Liner Extreme. All right, looks like I got black overspray all over my face. Anyway, we got the underside of the bed painted real quick here. Man, do I ever got a lot of black overspray on my face? Anyway, got the underside of the bed painted here. We're gonna get it up on the lift, back the truck underneath it, and get it on. She's a purty one. She is a purty one. That is for sure. Yeah. I wish I could pull it out, look at it in the sunlight. Yeah. All right.